Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Canva AI to create amazing designs quickly and easily. First, open Canva and sign into your account. Once you're on the Canva editor, you'll see the prompt box on the left side of the screen. Now I'll type a prompt describing the design I want to create. For this example, I'll type, "Create a modern YouTube banner for a tech channel." After entering the prompt, I'll click the Generate button. Canva AI will analyze my request and create design suggestions based on the text I entered. As you can see, Canva AI generates multiple professional-looking designs in just a few seconds. You can scroll through the results and choose the design that you like the most. I'll click on one of the generated designs to open it. Now I can fully customize it by changing the text, replacing images, editing colors, selecting different fonts, and moving elements anywhere on the page. Canva AI helps you save a lot of time because you don't have to build every design from scratch. Just describe what you want, and Canva creates ideas for you automatically. You can use Canva AI to create YouTube banners, thumbnails, social media posts, logos, presentations, posters, flyers, business cards, and many other professional designs. If you don't get the exact result you want, simply edit your prompt and click Generate again. The more detailed your prompt is, the better the AI-generated designs will be. That's how easy it is to use Canva AI to create professional designs in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Canva tutorials and AI guides. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.